Now moving on, political party E, we will see how many political parties E have won the seat 10. So here it will be 10. Now political F party have won 37 number of seats, so it is E, and for F political party F have won 37 seats. So this is the bar graph for question number 3. I have drawn. You must remember the gap between two bar must be constant. This gap must be constant. Means the distance between two bar graph must be same. Now moving on. Question number 4. See the example, question number 4. What is given? What information has been given in question number 4? The length of 40 leaves of a plant measure correct to 1 millimeter and obtain data represent the following table. Length of 40 leaves of plant. The 40 leaves of a plant is there, whose 40 leaves has been taken and their length has been measured up to 1 millimeter. Find the obtained data to represent following. Draw the histogram. What we have to do? We have to draw histogram. Is there any other suitable graphical representation for the same data? It is correct conclude that the maximum number of leaves have 153 mm long and wide. First, you see the data. Class interval is given 118 to 126 and 127 to 135, 136 to 144. See, here one gap, here one gap. So here our data is not in continuous form. Means from where it is ending, from there it will start. No, here it is not in first interval, it is ending at 126 and here is starting 127. Suppose the data comes to 126.5. Then where it will lie? For making uncontinuous data. What? Making uncontinuous data into continuous data. What in continuous data? What we have to do? Just you found the difference. Maximum of a group and another and what is the minimum of next group? Find the difference. Means first you have to find difference. Difference how you will find? Minimum of a group minus maximum of previous group. See, here we have group like 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144. Take any group. Suppose we are taking here 136, this group and this group. So the minimum of this group is 136 and maximum of previous. So previous class interval from 136 is 127 to 135. So maximum is 135. So 1 comes. Now we will divide 1 by 2 and we will add that value to the upper limit, we will in the केस ऑफ लोअर लिमिट के केस में माइनस कर देंगे, -4 अपर केस लिमिट plus what will be there for upper case limit it will be plus, for lower case it will be minus। जैसे 118 में हम माइनस कर देंगे और 126 में प्लस कर देंगे, 127 में माइनस कर देंगे, 135 में प्लस कर देंगे, तो 36 में माइनस कर देंगे, 144 में माइनस कर देंगे। जो हमारा गैप आ रहा है उसको हम 2 से डिवाइड करके, जो डिवाइड करने का जो वैल्यू आएगा उसको हम प्लस माइनस कर देंगे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक हियर ग्रुप। first of all we will make continuous arrange data, so I am doing at here see length in mm, number of leaves, so making continuous, first is 118, so we will subtract -1, so it will be 117.5 and we will add 0.5 to 126. In upper limit we will minus and in upper limit we will add and in lower limit we will minus. 127 minus 0.5 will be 126.5. Now 135.5. Similarly, see the 135 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5, and the frequency will remain same 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Now see our data, it is continuous. Here ending 125 and starting 126.5. So data is not missing. But in the case of previous data given or the table given, in that what was there? 118 to 126, then 127 to 135. So after 126 and before 127, that data is missing. So we are making continuous. So in this data, we are not missing any value. Now we will draw a histogram. So y-axis, x-axis 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We have taken. Now what we do in bar graph, there is a space in between bar graph, but in histogram there will be no. Now see, our data is starting from 170, so we will take a line break. We cannot leave that much data. So suppose I am taking 0, 10, 20, like in this manner our histogram bar will start from here. So we have to start here, means we will take a line break that is represented by, suppose you represent like this line, like this. This means that up to any number you can break the line. So we have broken the line. Now what will be our starting point? Here 100, 117.5. And for first group, what is the frequency? So it will be 3. So here it will, and this point will be 126.5. For next 126.5 to 130.5, what is the frequency? It is 5. So it will be drawn like that, and this will be 135.5. In this manner you draw it. Now 9. Twelve. 162.5. 4. 171.5. And lastly 2. 180.5. So this is our histogram. Now what is question number 2? Is any there other suitable graphical representation for the same data? Yes. Another way we can represent that is frequency polygon. By what? Frequency polygon method. Now what we can say that it is correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves are 153 meter long. See 153 more than 153. See this value will come 9, 11, and this is how much? 8, 17, 29. So no. What conclusion? More than 153, only 11 leaves. Less than 153, 29 leaves. Whose majority is more? Less than 153. So what we will conclude that no, the majority is no. So for question number 3, what will be the answer? Our no. What will be the answer? No. In question number 5, for the following table, life of neon balls have been represent the given information with the help of histogram. So you can draw histogram very easily. So draw the histogram. Now very easily you will be able to draw the histogram. And second part is how many lamps have lamp more than 700 hours. So by seeing the data, when you will see the data, then what will be the answer of fifth B? What will be the answer of fifth B? More than 700 is 74 plus 62 plus 48. Which we will take group? 7 to 800, 800 to 900, 900 to 1000. Now add it. 70, 110, 184. So what will be the answer? 184 lakh. Now in question number 2, you have given frequency distribution of two sections according to marks obtained, section A and section B. Now represent the whole section by frequency polygon. So I am discussing these questions. Data you write it, and what we have to draw, I am directly drawing the frequency. First I will make the table. Here section A. This is question number 6. Section A. section B. Now marks is given. Marks is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So in this case we have to find class marks. What we will have to find? Class marks whenever we have to draw frequency polygons. For that we have to find class marks. And what is the class marks formula? Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So add it 0 plus 10, 0 plus 10, 10 like this, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45 will come, and frequency will be what? Frequency is 3, 9, 17, 12, 9. Now similarly I am writing the frequency of section B. Here will be 5, 19 because group are the same, 15, 10, 1. Now this is y-axis, and what we will do, we will extend y-axis to the some left side. Why? In frequency polygons the frequency will start from 0. So we cannot mention where is our frequency is 0. So we will take 0 to 10. Then what will be the previous group from 0 to 2 minus 10 to 0. So in this group our frequency will be 0. So what is the class marks of this? The class marks will be minus 5. So at minus 5 our frequency will be 0. Now taking 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. By blue marker and by black marker I will draw for section A and for now you on x-axis you indicate the class marks 5, 15, 25, 35, 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45, and you also mention 55 because the next group after 50 is 50 to 60. In this case class mark will be 55 and frequency will be 0. Now at here at 5 the frequency is how much? 5. So 5 will here. Now at 15 frequency is 15. 9. So 15 at 15 it will be 9. At 25 it is frequency is 17. At 25 the frequency is 17. This at 35 the frequency is 12. 35 it is 12. 45 it is 9. At 45 it is 9. Now join all the dots. At 55 it is 0. This is for section A. What? Section A. Now I will draw for section B for blue marker. Either you can use dotted line. Now for section B. At 5, what is frequency? 5. At 5, its frequency is no. For section A, the frequency is 3. What? For it is 3. So in first graph we have done some mistake. at 5 it is 3. Graph will like this. Now in for section B we will draw at 5 it is 5. At 15 what is the value? It is 19. So 19 will come here. At 25 it is 15. So 15 will come here. And for at 35 it is 10. For at 35 it is 10. So 10 will come here. At 45 it is 1. So it will come here. Now join the points. This is for section B. Blue line indicates for the section B. So question number 6 we have done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Solve the remaining questions.